and I am from group 3. So this my group member. So I will be the leader for this to do the proposal. So this is me, this is Hussein, this is Muhammad Amin Ifat, this is Siti Nur Ashikin, and this is Soleha binti Rahmat. So each one of them is play a different part and do a different task. I assign them with different tasks for each one of them. So next is the introduction for the smart classroom. So smart classroom, why we choose smart classroom is because to give a new learning environment, such as from the old type of environment we must move to the next new learning environment that make lecturer and student become more convenient. So next is advanced technology. By using the newest technology, that is as the IR 4.01. So it's a new technology. So we use the technology to have a new type of smart classroom. So that's why we call smart classroom. So it's not about the name, it's about how do we start to approach and make student and lecturer understand each other. So next is to produce more creativity. So to produce more creativity is mean like we want the student to have more creativity about what they're learning in the class. So when the lecturer start teaching or start giving some new topic, start teaching a new topic, and at the end of the topic the student can produce something creativity that make they understand about the topic that the lecturer teach. So next is the flexibility in cost. So by using a new technology in smart classroom, it may cost sometimes cost a lot, but in order to make the new smart classroom become less costly, so we take a flexibility cost. That means do need to use all the new technology, but improve maybe the arrangement of the class itself, or just use a little bit of new technology in the class. So next is the background of our proposal for smart classroom. So University Tun Muslimin Malaysia has always been a forefront of technological innovation in education. In keeping with this aim, UTHM is suggesting a project to build a network of smart classroom across its campus. So this classroom will be used in QB. That we take the example of the QB room for this smart classroom. So at FKE, so this classroom will be outfitted with cutting edge technology to improve the learning experience for students, improve teaching methods for staff, and foster collaboration and involvement in the classroom setting. So student, lecturer, and the staff also need to collaborate with each other in order to make the classroom become more smart than we know, and more great to teach in the class. So traditional classroom are limited in their ability to cater to different learning types, stimulate interactive learning, and provide real-time feedback. So sometimes when we ask the student to give their feedback about the classes, they give negative feedback. So in order to make them, or to ensure that by applying the smart classroom, the student may give a positive feedback about the class itself. So furthermore, managing resources and engaging students remotely can be difficult in large courses. As a result, we have been entrusted with developing the smart classroom concept, administration, and installation project. So this is our proposal that might be help for the FKE to use it to apply the smart classroom concept. So next, the Freebus research work. So the feasibility and potential benefit of creating a smart classroom, smart campus environment, including smart classroom at UTHM, it developed a conceptual framework and conducts pilot research to evaluate its efficiency. While it is not directly related to smart classroom, it does provide significant insight into its current technical infrastructure and possible issues. Indeed, every technical aspect needs to be considered for using new technology in the classroom at Block QB. So every new technology need to be considered first by considering the maintenance, the costs that it take to plan that technology in the classroom, and also the sizing of the classroom itself. The size of the classroom and capacity also need to be taken, so that to provide future learning opportunities are also to care about lecturer and student comfortably. So in order to apply the smart classroom in the QB, the size of the classroom and the capacity also need to be taken, so that the lecturer and the student will be comfortable with the classroom itself. So for the next slide, for the next is primary data collection. So this will be presented by the next presenter. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Solam Rahmat. My metric number is CE202227. So here, this is the primary data collection that we have pre-program, program implementation, post-program, and the future of learning. So the first pre-program is we survey the student, preliminary data, reveal diverse learning style, different interests in engineering, and varying comfort level with technology. Engagement in traditional setting is modest. Next, we interview teachers. Teachers express excitement about the conditions of smart classroom to improve their teaching methods and personalized learning. However, some concerns regarding technology integration and workload were identified. Next, program implementation. First, classroom observation. Simultaneous observation highlight significant difference between smart and traditional classroom. In smart classroom, teachers use more interactive pedagogies, students actively engage with technology, and collaboration flourishes. Second, monitoring technology use. Data show increased individual student engagement and exploration of diverse learning tools. Dedicated smart classroom feeders have been widely used. Next, post-program survey of students. Follow-up survey reveals significant change in student attitude, perception of learning style, interest in science increase, and self-report engagement increase. Students feel more empowered and in control of their learning. And the last is the future of learning. The success of this pilot program paint an exciting picture of the classroom of the future by empowering learning through technology, fostering personalized experience, and fostering student engagement. We can unlock unprecedented educational possibilities. This is just the beginning of a revolution in education, where every student can thrive in a future-ready learning environment. So next, this is the approach method. First, empowering innovation through iteration. While the vision of a smart classroom is compelling, its true potential lies is a journey of major progress. By launching a pilot program, we embark on a cycle of testing, learning, and refining. We gather invaluable data and feedback from educators and students, allowing us to iterate and create a smart classroom that truly empowers its inhabitants. And last, a giant leap for student learning. Imagine stepping onto the threshold of a future where technologies enhance, not replace, the magic of learning. A smart classroom pilot program is not just a caution step, it's a giant leap for student learning. We take one major step testing, adapting, and optimizing until we reach a destination where every student soars.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad and my number matrix is CE21021. Today I'm going to explain about our project time frame. Okay, our smart classroom project has a clear time frame. First, we spend 1 to 2 months planning and preparing by defining needs, researching gear, developing a budget, obtaining agreement from stakeholders, and establishing equipment requirements. The following 2 to 3 months are spent on procurement and installation, which involve ordering specified equipment and preparing the classroom setting, including wiring and network configuration. After that, for 2 to 2 months, lecturers and students will be trained on the new equipment. Before going to a larger deployment, a small selected group is introduced to the technology. Ongoing support is offered to ensure that everything goes smoothly and overcome any problem. Finally, support and assessment continue indefinitely. The impact of the technology on teaching and learning is regularly evaluated for effectiveness. This adaptable timeline suits projects for various sizes and complexities. So that is all from me. I will pass it to the next presenter.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Ifan bin Roslan. So today I want to present about the smart classroom in course engineering management. So my part is about the costing. So we continue to costing part. So this is my overall costing estimate. So to build the smart room, first we need the integrate LCD wallpaper display, and then LCD projector, set of PC, HDMI cable heavy duty about the 10 meter, and then power cable heavy duty about 10 meter, speaker set, projector security cage box, hexagon table set about 10 set, then wall new color paint, bookcase and decoration. So this is the supplier that I have deal and make a research. So for the LCD wall display, the supplier is from ValueStack company, and then for the LCD projector is Epson, and then for the set PC, JCOM PC, and then for the HDMI cable, power cable is from QSD Sdn Bhd, and then for the speaker set, from the BMB CSG speaker set, and then for the hexagon set table, wall and bookcase from the Maju Shop online, and then the color we choose the Nippon. So this is the overall price that we have estimate, starting from the LCD wall display until to the decoration. So about the 29,318 overall cost to build the smart classroom. And then for the salary workforce, divided by 3 parts. First is project management, laborer and accountant. So as our group estimate about at least 3 weeks to complete to build the smart classroom. So for the project management about 150,000, for the laborer 1,000, and for the accountant is 1,000. So overall for the workforce, actually for the 1 month take about 3,500. So why project management is higher? Because the task to lead and taking full responsibility to other
participate. So that's all from me for costing part. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, the implementation of a smart classroom at Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering is crucial leap towards a dynamic and technologically advanced learning environment. By integrating cutting-edge technologies. We enhance the educational experience for students and faculty. This proposal addresses current needs, positioning us to thrive in the evolving landscape. It is more than gadget; it is catalyst for innovation and collaboration and improved learning outcomes.